Hello everyone, we just had breakfast and now we're going for a swim again. Tonight we're going to Pico Do Arieiro and maybe see a nice sunset. Piso 1, see you on the water.
Hello! Well, the sea access is closed due to jellyfish. Now we're going to eat some lunch.
What did you order?
I ordered waffles with ice cream.
And I ordered a acai bowl. We're all dressed up. We are going to eat some dinner and then go to Pico Do Arieiro. We have not done much last few hours. I've done some editing. Tessa
Played at the pool.
played at the pool. Yeah.
Piso zero.
Piso zero, let's go. Welcome to Pico Do Arieiro. We made it all the way back, all the way up, 1800 meters above sea level. I think we came from like 200, so we drove all the way up through the clouds. And here is the sun shining nice. Let's go. Looks like we're on Mars, on a different planet. Hello everyone, welcome from the sunny Madeira. Vlog 6.
Day 9.
Today we're moving to a different room in this hotel. So we packed our luggage. There's a truck trying to go up the hill. Not very fast. And look at our view. We're gonna miss it. We're not sure where we're gonna end up on this hotel. We will have a 1-bedroom long stay room. So
With a washing machine.
with a washing machine, so we're gonna wash our clothes so we don't have to do that at home. Well, yeah, here's the big suitcase. Yeah, we're gonna miss it. My small edit place. let's see where we end up.
Yeah.
See you soon. Well guys, change of plans. We've got an upgrade and we can stay here for the remaining days.
Yay.
So we are very happy and we still have this beautiful view. Thank you Next Hotel. Maybe you want to sponsor us for our next trip if you hear this. Perfect.
Hello.
Hello, welcome.
We are at Cabo de Girão.
With 598 meters, one of the highest cliffs in the world.
Look at this view. Well, we are at the next spot. It's some kind of bridge. It's over there.
There's sunscreen in my eye.
Sunscreen in Ronald's eye. He's almost crying. So Ronald, where are we?
We are at Cabo in Ponta do Sol. We just went to the arch, as you have seen. I want to fly my drone through there, but it was a bit too much wind, so didn't do it. Now we're gonna eat some food. I ordered a hamburger.
And I ordered a tuna bread, I think. So
Caco de bolo.
caco de bolo. So let's see what we get.
We don't do it that way.
Well, I did not expect this. I thought it would be a tuna salad, but it isn't.
And this is called a hamburger. Okay, well, let's enjoy our meal. Maybe it tastes very good. Hello everyone, welcome to Food Taste Test 2. Today we got a dragon fruit, not that special, we have the Netherlands. A banana something.
Passion fruit.
Banana passion fruit. I think a normal passion fruit. A kiwi passion fruit maybe?
And a banana ananas.
And the banana ananas. Don't worry, all the food we use in our yogurt, so we're not wasting anything. We just mix it with our yogurt, so the taste that we don't like go away a little bit. Let's start with the first one.
Yeah, I was very excited about dragon fruit. I never tried it before, but it's really pink.
We have no knife again, so
Have you tasted before?
no.
I thought it would be sweeter.
Reminds me a bit of a beetroot.
Yeah. Someone jumped in the water.
Yeah. Reminds me a bit of beetroot.
I don't know if you peel it like a banana. Should I do it like this or that?
That.
So this is a really strong taste. Looks like you have lip gloss on. I think it's a nice passion fruit.
I rate this a 7 out of 10.
For me also 7.
Deze is ook nog niet rijp.
Ja, dit ziet er wel mooi uit.
Well.
This is the normal passion fruit, I think.
A little bit sour.
But one of the better ones.
I rated an 8.
8.5.
Once again. 8.5. Hello everyone from
Hello.
the top of Pico Do Arieiro.
Again.
We just claimed the most perfect spot that is available here. Look at our view. There are people. Look at this. There's the sun, but there it is. Hello.
Hi.
There are people. Beautiful.